Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. We started our business in 1984.
We are one of the premier steel manufacturer and contributor to the economy of Pakistan.
From buildings to cars, steel helps to shape our world. With advancement in technology and innovative engineering solutions, the steel has been made lighter and stronger. At Kamran Steel, ISRI 211 quality steel and other type of scrap is imported from different countries. Making of steel starts with the feeding process, in which the scrap is dropped in induction furnace at 1700 Celsius degree. During this process, the sample is taken out from the molten material and sent at lab, where it is tested twice on spectro machine. Further chemicals are added to the feeding process to maintain chemical composition and quality assurance to achieve customer satisfaction at global standards. The raw material is transformed into liquid steel. This liquid steel is then transferred through a ladle furnace into the continuous casting machine. Through the continuous endeavor and with precision, the intensive work is carried out through devoted, motivated and hard-working labor at a very high temperature. Molten material is then molded to billets. Billets are cut according to required sizes and then transferred to rolling plants.
Allah Almighty blessed me with His blessings.
We are proud to serve the steel industry by having wide range of steel products under one roof.
Billets are cut again to shorter lengths. These billets are then fed to reheating furnace. In the process of reheating furnace, each billet is monitored under the supervision of attentive labor. Then the billets are injected out from the reheating furnace at the temperature of 1200 Celsius degree. These billets are then shifted to the roughing stands. There are total 3 stands. First stand has 6 passes. Second and third has 1 pass from where it moves towards the intermediate stands. But before that, the head and the tail is sheared so it can pass through the stands smoothly. It is then passed into 4th intermediate stand, after which they enter finished stands for small sizes like 10mm and 12mm. This process consists of rolls and water flowing in order to cool them down till the end. After which, pinch roll is again placed that keeps the speed steady, and then flying shear cuts the deformed bar according to the required lengths. The procedure of cooling bed is state-of-the-art process that keeps the bar straight as a pin. Later on, these are cut to specified lengths and tied into bundles according to customer's need. Today, Steel is the most recycled material in the world. Steel production is a sophisticated process involving complicated metal science.
Today we are successful.
Since 32 years, this belief led us where we are, and still there is a long way.
The supervisor monitors speed, RPM, and the whole process through control panel. PLC software gives the precision. For the fabrication, lathe machine is used at foundry shop. Computerized electronic control panels and CNC machine facilitate overall production at Kamran Steel. The notching machine is used for ribs and marking on the finished bars. U-bend testing starts from bar size and weight. Then universal testing machine performs bending test and tensile test.
Dedicated team and satisfied customers are our core assets.
In order to succeed, we must believe that we can. And failure will never overtake us if our determination to succeed is strong enough. Excellent bonding with cement, superior weldability, earthquake resistant with high yield strength and extraordinary bend ability. Kamran Steel, shaping the future.